Gold and silver traded in a narrow range throughout the day yesterday and today. Again, started off the day on a bullish note. Big day again. The NFP data later in the day before the US session should drive the markets here, should drive the volatility here. Which direction metal's gonna take? Are we looking forward to a rally here? Or there is a possibility of a drop? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, gold on the early charts. See, we had seen a drop right from 58.70.72 to 35.70.72 till towards 35. 10 levels, and since then what it has done, it is trading in this nice retracement channel. Now if you look at the slope here, this was a vertical drop, this is a retracement, that is what I consider. Now only thing is, if it all it tries to trade beyond 35 70 72, the first resistance zone, and then 35 80, if these two levels are taken, there is no other option left for us but to stay bullish for 3600 levels. So this is the zone which you should focus on. If at all gold decides to trade beyond 35 70 72 and then breaches past 35 80, stay bullish. What you can look forward to, you can look forward to 3600 mark. Yes, possible, it can do wonders. But when you look at the movement here, since the drop, it is rise retracement, a possible rise and retracement. Any drop now below 3640, 3636, this is the confirmation of first round of bearishness. Yes, if it trades below 3640, 3636, stay short. Possibly we will see, sorry, 3540, 3536, stay short. What we'll look forward to, 3520 levels first target. And this time, in fact, you can expect gold to trade below 3500 as well. Remember, once it trades beyond 3540, 3536, 3520 is a very good support, 3500 next, and a reversal confirmation is below 3480, 3470 zone. But again, below that also there is 3440, 50, which should come into picture, which is the strong support zone here. So till here it's fine, greater support exists here for gold on the downside. Do not treat this as bearish till then. Stochastic sitting at the top. Look at the MACD. After hitting the bottom, it is now trading with divergence. This may call for a pull off here on the upside, where the price might try to move higher before taking a U-turn. RSI placed comfortably. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, yes, it is seen taking support from 20 period. Thus 3540 is the first resistance. It has to trade below 3540, 3536. This is going to be very crucial for gold to trade below, and then ultimately 3520 levels. Moving averages are trading bullish. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD has crossed over here. It is trading bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over though. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See, it has created a very good base now at 3540. We have to see gold trading below this zone, and I will say 3540, 3536, and in fact now 3530. Till here it has got very good support. This zone between 3530 to 3540 you should watch out for. Stochastic placed comfortably. The MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with bearishness. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, likewise, rise, retracement, support, and then bounce back here. So in fact, you can buy at 3560 itself, but then 3564, 65 first, 3570, 72 second. Two resistances, and then ultimate one at 3580. If at all it decides to trade above 3580, stay bullish. See what it has done here. It has kissed 20 period and then bounced back, which is a good bullish sign. It's still stochastic rising. See, the MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with moderate bearishness, and the RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to day, now on the daily charts, you look at lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Remember, today if you see gold trading beyond these levels and specifically breaching past the all-time high levels close to 3578 80, I think we are looking forward to a greater rise. Possible, yes, but when you look at the chart, see, right now it is delivering lower highs and lower lows, And once it trades below 35.40, I think there could be a slide which could take the prices all the way towards 3500 and in fact 3480 levels. Now when you see the 20 period on the daily charts, it is sitting right below on the downside towards 3440 levels. Yes, these are going to remain the prime support levels still here. 3440 levels are not taken. You should not be treating this bearish. Notice what has happened on the daily charts. Lower highs were seen, higher lows were seen. This was a zone of consolidation. It is delivering a breakout here, and this breakout might sustain. But again, if at all this zone is taken away, you can say that's a reversal. Right now, it is not showing any signs of reversal. Stochastic overbought, now looking downwards. So possibly when you see stochastic getting overbought, it always tries to cool down a bit. MACD looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI overbought. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels here. And before I give you the levels, it is important for you to also learn this art of trading. Learning is the only investment which can give you profits throughout life. Reach out to me for details related to my next mentorship batch. 34th batch starts coming Monday, 8th of September. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for any of your queries. So now very simple, you can buy at 35.60, expect 35, 64, 65, 35, 70, 72. Very crucial levels exist. See, these are very crucial for gold to break beyond, and then 35.80. If at all gold decides to trade above 35.80, I think we should stay bullish for 3600. And in fact, see, it can breach beyond 3600 as well, where the next milestone is going to be all the way towards 3614 levels. Beyond this, 3630 should be there. I do not see this breaking this, but yes, recent time frames we have seen massive moves here in gold prices, and again today it can do or repeat some of such move. Let's watch out. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry. Now, ideally, you have to wait for 35, 40 levels to be taken, but since this is far lower, you can sell at 35.48, or I will say you can rather sell at 35.52 levels, expect 35.46, 35.40, and then 35, 35, 35.30. Now these all levels till 35.30 are very strong support levels. Below 35.30 you can expect it to move towards 35.18, 3500, and then 34.80, 34.68, and then 34.40. 50.40 should be there the next. Till 34.40 it's not bearish. Till 34.40 the chances of revival will be very high. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, after hitting the highs at 41.50, we have seen a nice retracement. Now it is trying to deliver a breakout here. I will wait for it to stay above 41, and now 41, 41.20 are the two levels or the zone which silver has to break beyond. Once it trades beyond 41 and 41.20, you can say that it is the reversal, and then we can stay bullish from there. Stock is overbought here. The MACD, after retracing towards the bottom, it has crossed over, trying to trade bullish here. RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour, similar observation here on the 2-hour chart. See, till 41, 2025 is not taken. You can say that since this drop, it is trading in this bearish channel here. We have to wait for it to deliver a breakout. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has traded enough bearish. Wait for a crossover here. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is comfortable. On the 3-hour charts, and you look at it, it has consolidated enough here. Lower highs, lower lows are still there. If it tries to trade beyond 41, 41.20, that's a reversal. Else it is still not bullish. The moving averages are trading with divergence. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD has crossed over at the top. Right now trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI is placed comfortably here. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, see the drop here, retracement, drop here, retracement. Still trading in this bearish channel. Very important for silver to trade beyond 41, 41.20 zone. This is the very strong resistance zone on the upside, breaking beyond which 41.50 should be seen. Notice since the consolidation it has delivered first breakout. Current candle is very important for silver here. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is right now trading bearish. RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, notice, see, since this bullish move, you can see diminishing bullishness. We had seen first red candle. Now lower highs and lower lows with the preceding candle, and thus 4120 is the level it has to trade beyond. And I will say 4120, 25 or 30, 4130, 20, you can say this is the level it has to break beyond, and then we can say a breakout towards 4150. If 4150 is taken, I think we are going to see $42 levels in silver. But right now I can say slight struggle is seen. And remember, bearishness today is only if it trades below 4050, 4040 zone. This is the prime support zone for the day. If at all silver trades below this, I think 40 should be there, and then 3980, 3950, the most critical mark should arrive. This is the most critical zone which silver has to trade below in order to trade bearish. Moving averages are bullish. Stochastic has cooled down. The MACD, since the crossover, it is trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. So considering where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy when you see silver at 41. Expect 4120, 30 as the first target levels, 4150 as the next, and beyond 4150 direct lending is towards 42, the next milestone. 4185, 42 you can count on. This is going to be the first target. If at all it stays above 4150, I do not see trading beyond 42 any which ways. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 4070. Expect 4050, 4040 as the first target zone, and if this is taken, stay bearish for 40, 3975, 3950. If at all it trades below 3950, 39 is a must. I think it is not possible for silver to trade towards 39, but yes, stronger the rise might follow with a stronger drop as well. But right now it is not showing any bearishness. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See, and yes, a happy weekend. See you before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.